Hello everyone. In this short video I will show you how to validate ads.txt file without any ads.txt validators, online validators. How you can do it? You can open your ads.txt. For example, I open ads.txt of the TechCrunch.com website. What I did, I selected all the content of the ads.txt, copy this content, and I'm gonna use ChatGPT for checking the content of ads.txt file. Oh, it doesn't work because it's a really big file. It's a problem. I guess ChatGPT can check only small ads.txt files. Let's reduce the content of the ads.txt file. For small publishers who have really less lines in ads.txt file, it can be really useful. You can use just ChatGPT, and you see it doesn't see any errors here, and you can check if you are small publishers and you have only few lines in ads.txt file. You don't need any validator, but validator, it's really useful in this case when you want to check really many lines of the ads.txt file. And let's do it. I use ads-txt.live online validator. I click check by URL, and let's see what we will have now. And this big ads.txt file doesn't have any errors, and I can recommend this online validator for big publishers.